What is the price for becoming your wife?
Only your name.
There, I've signed it.
Then it is done.
What have you done to me? It's over.
No. It's only the beginning.
Then let it begin.
What if you could take a single character, keep her consistent across an entire story, and turn your ideas into a cinematic anime short? Today, I'm using Domo AI and Seedance 2.5 to create exactly that. Meet Domo AI's new almond reference workflow, powered by Seedance 2.5. The idea is simple. Instead of explaining every character, outfit, scene, and prop entirely through text, we can provide reference materials and use them to guide our generation. That makes it especially useful for story-driven content where consistency matters. For this project, I'm creating a 30-second romantasy story called Duke's Contract. Our heroine, Elena, arrives at a mysterious palace, signs a magical marriage contract with the Duke, transforms into a noblewoman, and discovers that their fake marriage might not be fake after all. Create the character reference pile. I'm using Elena as the main reference character and creating a separate reference for the Duke, Lucien. Elena needs to look like the same person from the first scene all the way to the final shot. So I'm keeping her key characteristics consistent: her emerald eyes, long chestnut hair, facial features, and beauty mark. Build the first scene. Now let's create our first scene. This is Elena before she becomes the Duchess. I want a dramatic Gothic palace, rain, wind, and a strong romantasy atmosphere. Almond reference. Now let's bring this image to life with almond reference. Domo AI lets me start with the image and describe the motion I want. So instead of generating the entire scene from scratch, I'm telling it what should move and how the camera should move. Then, from settings, you can adjust the proportion, video length, and resolution with audio adjustment. Domo AI's Omni reference workflow supports uploaded images plus motion prompts, with short generated clips designed around movement and camera direction. Domo AI Almond reference lets you upload up to 50 reference images, videos, and audio to generate 30 seconds video. So no more switching between image to video or video to video. Create the contract scene. Next, I'm bringing Elena and Lucien into the same scene. This is where references become really useful. Instead of writing a huge description explaining exactly what both characters look like, I'm giving the model the visual references directly.
There, I've signed it.
The transformation. Now comes the most important moment of our short, the transformation. I want Elena to change from an ordinary girl into a powerful duchess. And just like that, our heroine has her transformation moment.
Then it is done.
What have you done to me?
Build the romance. From here, I can keep building the story using the same character references. Elena enters the ballroom as the new Duchess. Then we move to the balcony, where Lucien finally reveals that their contract marriage may not be as fake as she thought. In the same way, you can create a whole short film with Domo AI's almond reference.
Come with me.
Everything feels different.
Because it is.
For better or worse?
Only if we choose it together.
Relax mode. Standard plan and Pro plan support relax mode. Under relax mode, you can generate videos unlimitedly without consuming credits. And that's how I turned a simple romantasy idea into a complete cinematic short using Domo AI. With almond reference and Seedance 2.5, you can combine your creative references and build scenes around a consistent visual story. If you want to create your own AI story, click the link in the video description to generate your first video.
Everything feels different.
Because it is.
It's over.
No. It's only the beginning.
Then let it begin.